Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another look using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and this is look number 43. It is inspired by the golden hour, and if you are unfamiliar, the golden hour refers to the period of time shortly after sunrise and before sunset when the sun is low on the horizon, casting a warm, soft, and diffused light. So the look today is inspired by that time of day. I love how it came out. I hope you enjoy the look as well. And let's get started. So I'm using the AOA Studio Shadow Stay Eyeshadow Primer and a Shadow Shield to catch any fallout I might have. Of course, I'm using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. And the first shade I'm going to be picking up is in the first row, and it's the third shade. So it's a light brown shade. And it does come off really warm yellowish orange when you apply it to the lid, more so than how it looks in the pan, because it looks just like a nude brown in the pan. So it's really warm on the eyes. I'm taking that on a fluffy shader brush, and I'm going to, well, a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to put that halfway into the crease area. Next up, I'm taking this chocolate brown third row lash shade, and I'm going to be taking that on a more like dense pencil style crease brush, and I'm going to press that in my outer corner and the rest of the way in the crease area there. And I'm really going to build that up. And this is such a beautiful brown. It is super pigmented and easy to work with, and very little fallout, surprisingly, and it being such a dark shade. So once I have that, we're going to go in and start blending. So I'm going to take a little bit of the first shade I applied and blend that into it, and then I'm going to take the darker shade and blend that in with the lighter shade in the crease, and just kind of go over them a few times until they seem seamless, or at least start to become somewhat seamless and look like a real good transition. So this Loreal Dewy Mist, or Lumi Mist, I'm going to take that, spritz my brush, and the third row second eyeshadow is this beautiful golden shade. I'm taking this on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to be applying that on the lid, up into the crease a little bit, and a little over the dark brown that we used in the outer corner, just to kind of, instead of it just being a stark line of colors, so that way they blend a lot easier together when they are pressed on top of each other like that, and then you can blend them together. Now, first row second shade, this is like a bone, like vanilla basic highlight shade, and I'm going to apply that under the brow bone, and then you'll see me bring it down on top of the shade that we used in the crease, and I'm really going to use that to reshape this outer corner and blend down the shades. And then I'm also going to be taking those shades and blending those in with the brow highlight. So it's a very seamless transition from crease to highlight. And then I'm going to take the shimmery white, which is in the second row first eyeshadow, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner to really open up and brighten the eyes so they're not so closed off. And you can use a warmer tone for this, but I just really like that icy look. And the brown shade we used in the outer corner, I'm also taking that on my lower lash line and just kind of smudging that in. LaColors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight Black to tightline my upper waterline. And then for the lower waterline, I'm using this Jordana 24-hour eyeshadow pencil and Continious Almond. And I'm using that to continue to have like that open awake kind of look to the eyes. AOA Studio Lash Adhesive and the Showgirl lashes from Ioni, and I'm just going to pop those on real quick. And make sure your lash glue is dry before you try applying any more eyeshadow, because the eyeshadow stuck to my eyelashes, and yeah, I should have went over them with a black eyeliner, but oh well. That mascara was LashCraft from Sephora. For lips, this is from Sheglam, and it's one of their Shimmer matte lipsticks. And the e.l.f. MintMelt Lipgloss on the center of the lip. This is like a frosty white with a green iridescent shimmer in it. It's really pretty, and I think they pair together well. And that's the finished look. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and will possibly try the look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more videos using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Wet n Wild links, as well as a product list. And thank you so much for watching.